In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to activate Siri or Hey Siri on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch settings on your iPhone. If you have an iPhone 15 Pro or newer, you'll see an option called Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you're using an older iPhone, you'll find Siri and Search instead. Tap on it and you'll see the option to turn on Siri and enable talk and type to Siri. By default, the press side button for Siri option is on, but the Hey Siri feature may be off. To enable Hey Siri, simply toggle the switch. Siri will guide you through a setup process, asking you to say few phrases like Hey Siri, how's the weather? Or Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. This helps Siri learn your voice and improve recognition. Once you complete the setup, you can activate Siri by saying Hey Siri and it will respond immediately. I personally find that Hey Siri works a bit better than saying Siri, but you can choose whichever option works best for you. Now you are all set to use Siri with just your voice anytime. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.